Dan, andyan si Frankie. Andyan si Frankie, Dan. Nakita ba kayo? Anyways, for sure na. Because I'm telling these people already, they don't have the right to own me, ano ako bagay. Kasi hindi ko kailangan ng trabaho, hindi ako, Diyos ko naman. Dan and the guys, the rest of you, I don't know who you are na natira dyan, and Tim, Mr. Tim, if you're one of this, I mean, if you're one of the friends of Frank, I am telling you now, wow, you amazed me. You amazed me so much. Good job. Very good job. Very good job for playing with the real life of mine. So good job, Tim. Good job, Frank. If, just because of very small amount of money, you'd give up on your credibility. Ano naman po? So, tell me, asa ng pagiging negosyante? Anyways po, I'll type my Frankie, sing one song. Sige. One song. Pero paano to? Wala naman akong microphone eh. Pwede daw ba yung microphone dyan?
Ha? Martilyo mo.
Martilyo daw?
Ano natin?
Oo ko. Martilyo. Pati ba naman? Alam ko kung sino nagpapakuha. Si madam nyo? I don't know, kuya. Wag lang yung may Starex, ha? Hindi galing sa kanila. Hindi sa kanila yon. Tumahimik sila. Magnanakaw pa yung sila hanggang ngayon. No. That's from the, I don't want you taking advantage of the, ano, kahit sino sa mga konektado sa aming pamilya. Ay, sorry kuya ha, kasi pinapakita ko lang yung, ano, yung mga clothings na pinailangan nila para patunayan din ang dapat patunayan. Palagi naman yan. Madami eh.
Ngayon lang ako bati. Ha? Talaga ako na yung bibig.
Familiar? Latino na meron pa rin para sa mga kababaihan na tinatakot na paglabo na karapatan ninyo bilang mga babae. And Jesus. Sino pong Dan, are you going to ano? To see me there? I'll give you a message once I'm there. Ano? But who took care of it po for so long? It's actually not me who took care of it, who held it safe. Because I've been going everywhere po eh. So, si Sir talaga. Siya talaga ang totoo na. mm, I've got my own, ano, as well. This, can you remember this po? I'll see you in a bit.